What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Trading Crypto. Today we're going to go over Aerodrome Finance, which is up 0.9% at 56 cents. We have a $340 million market cap with 604 million coins in circulation out of an infinite max supply. All-time high was 5 months ago at 231. We are down 75% from that all-time high. All-time low was 11 months ago. Currently available on quite a few exchanges, might I ask. If you go to markets here, you can see it's on Coinbase, Get.io, XT, BitGet, KuCoin. Obviously, its own Aerodrome. So with that, let's get into the price prediction and technical analysis on Aerodrome Finance. All right, everybody, let's go to Aerodrome Finance. It looks like this is what we had drawn last time we charted Aerodrome from the beginning of time, February 2024, to the all-time high price. You can see we are within a huge bullish flag right now on the long term, going all the way back to the flag pull of February 2024. But right now, if we look at the short term, we're actually playing this pretty dang accurately. This uptrend holding very strongly. We've tested it several times. First one going back to March 2024. We tested again July 24 and August 6th, and we just tested it on the 7th of September. So you can see we are starting to get pretty squeezed in here within this pennant pattern. And eventually, if we break out to the upside, that's when we can start continuing our bullish momentum to the upside. And I believe we can see some new all-time high prices. Now, what we don't want to see this do is the pennant to break to the downside. If you break to the downside, then GG. This thing's going to go back down to around 25 cents. But I don't think that's going to be the case. I think the end of September, beginning of October is going to be extremely bullish. Now, in the short term for Aerodrome, since we did test the bottom of this uptrend support area, I'd be keeping a very, very close eye on the 618 downtrend resistance convergence area at about 62 cents. I think that should be the next area that Aerodrome is heading to, which from where we're currently at is approximately another 8 to 9% until we get to that resistance area. Now, if we just clear everything out and look off the short-term time frame, remove drawings. If you look at the short-term fib from the high to the low, not there, from the high to the low, what we can currently see is we're running right into the 382 resistance area. So that's the current area that we need to overtake. We need to overtake this 57 cents area on the short-term 382 and then work our way up to that 618 like we mentioned, and the larger fib up to around 64 to 65 cents. So I believe if we break above this 57 cents resistance area of the 382, we'll be moving back up to that 618 resistance area here at about 62 to 63 cents. If we do happen to break out of that 618 downtrend resistance area, the convergence right there, I would expect some very, very volatile bullish movement to the upside, and we can start seeing some more God candles flood back in for this bad boy, and we can start saying, hey, the horse is off to the races once again. But we're not bullish until we break out of this downtrend pennant, and sooner or later, I believe it's going to happen. Now, if we do happen to get rejected off that 618, then we'll most likely just continue this consolidation within this pennant until it's time to rock and roll, which though you can see the peak of the pennants around the end of September, beginning of October, like we talked about. End of September, beginning of October, I think things are going to start to get fun again. So a little bit more time to accumulate some coins before we start rocking and rolling. But short term, keep an eye on this convergence area. That's going to be the storyteller for Aerodrome. With that, none of this is financial advice. And if you have any coins you'd like me to chart, you can just send me a super chat in the comments and I'll get to your coin as soon as possible. Thank you.